Dear students, in today's topic, we are going to prove given trigonometric identity cos A, cos 60 degree minus A, cos 60 degree plus A equals to 1 by 4 cos 3A. So, in order to prove this trigonometric identity, we are going to use transformation formula 2 cos A cos B equals to cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So let's start to prove this by taking LHS. So solution. So we are given that cos A multiplied by cos 60 degree minus A, then cos 60 degree plus A. Now as you can see that the transformation formula contains 2. So for that we'll be using half, then cos A multiplied by 2 cos 60 degree plus A cos 60 degree minus A. Now you can see here that these two will get cancelled out. And I have just changed the position of cos 60 degree plus A and cos 60 degree minus A so that the first angle means in place of A, you can see in formula that it's A minus B. So to avoid any such issues with negative angle, so we have to make that first one is the bigger one. So now let's continue. So we'll get half cos A bracket. Now 2 cos A cos B will give us cos A minus B. So our A is actually 60 degree plus A, then minus B. So minus, when you subtract, there are two terms, so sign of each of them is going to change. So 60 degree plus A. So we are done with that cos A minus B. Now plus cos A plus B. So cos, our A is again 60 degree plus A and our B is 60 degree minus A. Now close the bracket. So now first of all simplify inside the bracket. So it gives us cos plus 60 and minus 60 will get cancelled out. So we'll be left with 2A. And in second one, plus A and minus A will get cancelled out, and then we'll be getting here cos 120 degree. So it will be always that you will be getting one of the value is 60 standard values. So here cos 120 is standard value. So we'll substitute the value for cos 120. So half cos A cos 2A and then cos 120 means minus 1 by 2. Now we can write it as half. Let's change that cos 2A by using double angle formula. 2 cos square A minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Now we have to simplify the terms inside the bracket first. So I'll just take new page for that. So we are having here half cos A 2 cos square A. Now there was minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. So on simplification that gives us minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So now it can be further written as, now let's take that 1 by 2 cos A, simplify within the bracket first. So it gives us 4 cos square A minus 3 whole upon 2. Now this denominator 2 inside the bracket and denominator 2 outside the bracket will multiply together and it gives us 1 by 4. And bring that cos A inside the bracket. So which gives us 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Now if you remember, cos 3A is actually 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So look at the term inside the bracket. It's exactly 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So we can write it as 1 by 4 cos 3A, and which is your required RHS. So now we are done with it. So now we can conclude that hence proved. So in this way you can prove this trigonometric identity.